Where we going?
To the beach.
Yeah?
Where's my victory lap? Victory. And watch this. Bunga.
You crazy.
Mom,
Yeah?
why did you put your toothbrush and toothpaste in my room?
I put it in your bathroom, silly, because it was an extra.
Hey!
Do you want your Black Panther sandals to go with your Black Panther bathing suit?
Yeah!
Are we gonna have so much fun?
Yeah! I'm going to swim with the GoPro.
We'll see.
And I might get to hold on to it. So whatever creature is down there, I'll show them it.
There's not probably any creatures.
I think there is.
Uh-huh.
I think there's sharks, fish, crabs, and a lot of animals, sea animals.
But that's the lake, it's not the sea.
Well,
I think your
Mama,
sandals are upstairs. His Black Panther ones?
Oh, those ones are up there.
Go. Get them. Go get them. Run.
I think they're in my backpack.
No, not. Go. Run.
Turn the light on.
You don't need the light on. There's daylight.
No, there isn't. Not up there. Beep, 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 boo, 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 beep, beep, beep.
Okay, we just gotta go pee.
Mom, could you turn this on for me?
Not right now.
Probably wear your floppy
Please.
hat.
Here you go.
Mommy, please.
You excited for the beach?
Look at all our stuff. They have shovels. Look in there. And look in here. Buckets.
And you have chocolate face.
I'm eating a chocolate chip cookie and drinking apple juice.
What did you get, Mom?
I got a coffee frappuccino place.
Yeah? We're not obsessed with Starbucks at all. And I got a cinnamon almond macchiato. guys, so we went to the beach, but by the time we got there, it literally started to pour. So we ended up turning back around and heading back, and because I was so upset about not getting to go swimming, him and I, we ended up going to like the city pool, the city indoor pool, and we swam there for a bit, and he had lots of fun, but it just exhausted him, and he's been like a disaster tonight. So it's been kind of a busy night, so I haven't done much. I meant to take the GoPro into the pool when we were there, but kind of forgot. And then my brother came over and I had to cut his hair. So that's been our night. Sai's up in bed. I just wanted to finish up. I'm about to get ready for bed. It is 10:26 and I have to get up at 6:30 in the morning because I have to work. Yay. But at least I get Monday and then I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday. So, yeah. I'm just wanting a bedtime snack. And then I'm gonna go upstairs, take off my makeup, crawl into bed, and right now I'm having a sour because why not? We literally picked these up. Well, no, not us. My dad picked these up from Costco. It's like a legit, like a huge tub of them. But he got them for when we drove down to Disney. Yeah. So I'm going to say goodnight and see you guys later. Bye.